Google recently has been on fire. Just this past week, they've upgraded their Gemini app that has introduced a deep research agent that can fully construct lengthy multi-page in-depth reports on whatever you prompt within their chatbot. It's truly insane due to the fact that you get quality output of in-depth analysis of whatever you prompt. And they also have released a state-of-the-art model in the same week, which is open-weighted, and it's something that's called Gemma 3. That is something that outcompetes even GPT-4 Omni and many other models. And just today, they are releasing a huge new upgrade to their Gemini app. It seems like the team at Gemini has been continuously working on new updates, because today they're launching a thing called Canvas. Canvas is a new interactive space for refining your documents as well as your code and audio overview, which can transform your files into engaging podcast style discussions. You can generate code with visualization and so much more. Gemini Canvas is fully free and you can easily get started with it today. Think of it similar to Claude's artifacts, but with more features that allow you to work with more modalities like vision and audio due to the Gemini models, a part of their 2.0 series like the Flash as well as the Pro. But with Canvas in Gemini, you can have it so that it could write, iterate, and preview React and HTML code. You can draft and edit comprehensive documents. You can also build interactive prototypes, games, and visualizations, and so much more. Essentially, this is an ideal coder as you can code and preview React and JS components quite quickly. Before we dive into today's video, a quick shout out to our sponsor, Zapier. Imagine automating your workflows like magic. Meet Zapier Agents, your AI-powered assistant that handles tasks while you focus on what truly matters. Let's be real, we all waste a lot of time on manual tasks like sorting emails, updating spreadsheets, tracking leads. But what if your work could just do itself? With Zapier Agents, automation goes to the next level. SEO analysis, done. News categorization, handled. Lead enrichment, instant. No coding, no hassle, just results. Running a marketing agency. Well, the SEO agent delivers instant website insights and optimization tips. In sales, well, the lead enrichment agent finds crucial details on your leads instantly. More insights, more conversions, more success. Personally, Zapier agents have saved me hours every week. My work practically runs itself now. No matter your industry, Zapier agents help you scale effortlessly, like a digital assistant that never takes a break. Get started today with 400 free activities per month. Click on the link in the description below and start automating like a pro. But with that thought, let's get right back into the video. Just take a look at this demo, which is showcasing the Gemini Canvas in action, where someone prompted to create a one-shot stock market component that is quite functional. This is the quality of output you get with Canvas. You have functional buttons, you can visualize multiple stocks like Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Tesla, and you have different previews of how their stock is within a 1 week time frame, a 1 month, and such forth. The reason why I really like Canvas is because you have the ability to implement the deep research agent and have outputs configured and visualized. In this case, you can have it so that you can create, refine, collaborate any of the prompts that have been generated with custom tools built within the Canvas. And you can have this on documents as well as with your code, which is just really nice. What's really cool is that there's an audio overview feature within the Gemini app that can transform your documents, slides, research reports into engaging podcast style discussions between AI hosts. And this is actually a feature from Notebook LM, which is another suite of tools, a part of Google's apps. And this is where it has now been integrated within the Gemini app. To get started, it's really simple. Head over to the Gemini app, which is a link I'll leave in the description below. And essentially what you will need to do is just toggle on Canvas and you can get the preview and visualizations with your docs, audio, and such forth. So in this case, I can ask it, create me a simple chess game, and it'll go ahead and write the code using the Gemini 2.0 Flash model. You'll be able to then see a live visualization of the code being generated. And since this is a super fast model, you can see it is rapidly generating the code, and it's gonna then preview it within this preview tab within a couple of seconds. And there we go. We have the game fully generated, and you can then have it so that you can export this code. So you can actually send this as a link to other people to collaborate on or even access. You also have the ability to download your code, which is really nice. And to me, this feature of then heading over to the code and then highlighting a certain segment or block of your code and then having the ability to ask the Gemini model on it is just far superior than what I saw with Claude's artifacts, because this is a feature that many of the other apps do not actually have. So in this case, you can ask it, explain this code segment for me, please. And it's saying, here's the explanation of the code segment that I had selected. And you can see it goes on to further explain each segment of this code, which is really nice and convenient. And this is actually going to be really helpful when you're debugging any section of your code that has been generated by AI. You can ask it, what's this segment for? And then you can get a good response back generated. Now, what's also nice is that you have the ability to use multiple models from Gemini. You can use the deep research, which is something that I definitely recommend that you take a look at. In my previous video, I was able to create a fully functional report that had 25 pages. And it was quite in-depth when I was actually reading random pages of it. But just keep in mind that the Gemini 2.0 Flash is the only one that you can use the canvas for. The deep research also lets you visualize the generation of the report, which is just a side note. So I've uploaded my data, and I'm going to go over and send in this prompt. And what it will do is it will use the canvas to visualize my data. So you can see right now it's extracting the data from the file, and it's using its vision capabilities to extract all the contents from it. So you can see everything is being extracted. Something cool that you can do is you can take your mock data and then you can actually have the Gemini app visualize it. So you can ask it, generate tables for me based off the data that I provided. And what you can also do is after you visualize the table, you can also work with the AI to change the length of it. So you can actually configure the length of whatever table has been generated. You can add further analysis. You can ask it to change the tone. You can also have it so that you can suggest edits to certain things. So this is by simply click on this button, and then the AI will provide further suggestions on improving the visualization that was generated. And with a single click, you'll be able to get suggestions provided to you where it can recommend certain edits. It can also provide other additional generations for you. Before we get started, I just want to mention that you should definitely go ahead and subscribe to the World of AI newsletter. I'm constantly posting different newsletters on a weekly basis. So this is where you can easily get up-to-date knowledge about what is happening in the AI space. So definitely go ahead and subscribe, as this is completely for free. Let's showcase another example. We're going to ask it to create me a diet tracking app where I can log my calories. And what I really like about the Gemini model is that it can rapidly create these different prototypes for you. In this case, you have this calorie tracker app that has been generated, but I wanted to generate something that's a little bit more appealing. So let's ask it, can you make it a bit more appealing for me? And then we can send in this prompt. And there you go. This is the second iteration of it. It made it look a little bit better, but I still don't want it to look like this. I want it to have a dark mode and look a little bit better. So let me configure it a bit more and have it generate that. And there we go. We have a better refined looking app. You have a dark mode as well, which is nice. And in this case, you can set a calorie goal of 2000, and then you can set that goal over here. And then every time you add in a food item like an apple, and let's say it is 95 calories, we can then add the food. You can see that it tracks your calorie intake, and then it also showcases your total today calorie, which is 95, and then you can visualize it with a pie graph. This is a super simple app that was generated, but you can see that this is something that will help you visualize each generation live in action, and then you can also have it so that you can export your code after the generation has been complete. This is the new feature, a part of Gemini's new app, and I definitely recommend that you try it out because this is quite revolutionary and you're going to be able to get amazing generations from it with the Gemini 2.0 model. So I highly recommend that you try this out with all the links in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to the newsletter, join our private Discord, follow me on Twitter to stay up to date with the latest AI news, and lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos because there's a lot of content that you will truly benefit from. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.